Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
Men often assume testosterone fades simply because of age. But the calendar isn't the real culprit. What changes first is how the body moves. Over the years, daily life becomes more sedentary. The midsection softens, the hips stiffen, the spine loses its spring, and circulation slows down. Recovery takes longer, energy dips, mental sharpness dulls, and gradually, the internal chemistry that once supported strength, confidence, and drive begins to shift. Here's the part most men are never told. This process isn't just about getting older, it's about losing movement patterns your body still expects. The human male body was designed for challenge, load, and full range motion. When those signals disappear, hormone production often follows the same downward path. The encouraging news is that the body responds quickly when those signals return. Not through shortcuts, injections, or prescriptions, but through specific physical patterns that communicate strength and capability directly to the nervous system. Today, we'll cover 4 movements that address the most common physical reasons testosterone levels tend to decline in men over 50. These movements focus on 4 key issues: excess abdominal fat that interferes with healthy hormone balance, stiffness in the hips and pelvis that restricts circulation, weakened posterior muscles that reduce strength signaling, and the absence of meaningful physical challenge. Address all 4, and the body often begins responding sooner than most people expect. Let's get started. Exercise 1. The deep squat flow. This movement is a cornerstone of natural male mobility. Long before chairs and couches, the squat was a resting position, a working position, and a transition position. Modern routines gradually erase this pattern, and when hip motion disappears, the rest of the system adapts in less helpful ways. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart. Slowly lower yourself into a squat, stopping wherever your body feels comfortable today. There's no forcing and no pain. Keep your chest open, spine tall, and heels grounded. Once you're down, gently shift your hips side to side. Let the inner thighs open. Let the lower back relax. Then subtly lean your chest forward to lengthen the spine, and lightly press through your ankles to explore depth without strain. Stay in this position for about 45 to 60 seconds, breathing slowly and deeply. This single pattern does several important things at once. It engages large muscle groups that support healthy body composition. It improves circulation through the hips and pelvis, and it reintroduces a movement your nervous system recognizes as natural and efficient. When the hips regain freedom, many men notice improvements in energy, digestion, posture, and overall physical comfort. Exercise 2. The bear crawl. The bear crawl is deceptively simple and extremely effective. It combines strength, coordination, and controlled effort into one movement that wakes up the entire body. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Lift your knees just an inch or 2 off the ground and tighten your core. From there, crawl forward slowly. Right hand with left foot, then left hand with right foot. Keep your spine neutral, hips low, and movements deliberate. You don't need much distance, 20 to 30 meters is plenty. This movement creates full body tension and controlled effort, which stimulates the nervous system in a way light cardio often doesn't. It raises body temperature quickly, challenges coordination, and strengthens the shoulders, hips, and core together. Just as importantly, it reintroduces physical difficulty, a signal the male body responds to strongly. Purposeful challenge activates neural pathways associated with drive, focus, and resilience. Exercise 3. Glute bridge march. One of the most overlooked contributors to low energy and hormonal sluggishness is reduced circulation through the pelvis. Sitting for long hours weakens the muscles responsible for stabilizing this region and limits blood flow where it matters most. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Keep your spine neutral and gently engage your glutes. From here, slowly lift one foot a few inches off the floor, then set it back down. Alternate sides, keeping the hips level and controlled. This marching motion forces the deep core and glutes to stabilize the pelvis while encouraging healthy circulation through the lower spine and pelvic region. Aim for 12 to 16 controlled marches per side, breathing steadily throughout. This movement helps rebuild the physical foundation that supports strength, recovery, and vitality as men age. Exercise 4. Loaded carries. Few movements send a clearer signal of strength than carrying weight across space. This is one of the most primal expressions of physical capability. Hold a weight in each hand, dumbbells, kettlebells, or even heavy household items. Stand tall, pull your shoulders back, brace your core, and walk forward with slow, controlled steps for 20 to 30 meters. Loaded carries engage the grip, core, upper back, and hips simultaneously. Grip strength alone has a strong neurological connection to overall strength signaling. Carries also reinforce upright posture, tighten the abdominal wall, and promote a sense of physical presence and control. For many men over 50, this movement quickly improves posture and body awareness while reinforcing patterns the nervous system associates with competence and stability. These 4 exercises work because they address the real physical contributors to declining testosterone, not just age itself. Squat flows restore hip mobility and circulation. Bear crawls bring back challenge and full body engagement. Glute bridge marches improve pelvic stability and blood flow. Loaded carries reinforce strength, posture, and neurological signaling. You don't need extreme workouts or complex routines. Spending just 10 to 12 minutes a day on these movements can support better movement quality, clearer thinking, deeper sleep, and faster recovery over time. When the body moves the way it was designed to move, the internal environment often becomes more supportive of strength and vitality. Getting older doesn't mean getting weaker, it means moving smarter. Keep moving, gentlemen. Your strongest years aren't behind you. They begin the moment you start giving your body the signals it's been waiting for.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.